Hello to everyone, this is a brief promotional video for the upcoming hands-on webinar, hosted by Melanie Marcano. She is also widely known as Mel in several OnPassive groups. On this new week's schedule for hands-on, Monday, May 20th, Melanie has enlisted Gregory Hill for another insightful training session focused on GIF creation. Gregory will demonstrate advanced blending techniques using the zero-cost Lunapic picture edit site. The webinar kicks off at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. After training, we will have a Q&A time. Our goal in this training is to enhance your understanding of creating 2 or 3 blended static images. We eagerly anticipate your participation in this GIF training session. Please join us for an enriching experience creating a blended GIF with the Lunapic picture edit site. All of us at Hands-On look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for your time watching this video.